Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all? I hope everyone is very well. I am Nasib Tarjin. I'll to do today get a live CandyDrop probe project review. Let's go. Start it. Let's see, guys. Look at this probe token. Today my topics CandyDrop succeed probe and CandyDrop 62 CandyDrop X succeed probe and trade to share 2 lakh probe. And CandyDrop is get airdrop platform where user complete tasks to earn candies and share token airdrop. We are excited to launch the probe token airdrop event where you can complete the following tasks to earn candies and share a total prize pool of 2 lakh probe with a maximum individual share of 100 probe, and details are follows. And look at this fast future trade price pool, 1 lakh probe and fixed 20 probe for eligible user. And let's go to number 2 future trade pool, 1 lakh probe, maximum 800 probe per person, air drop calculation formula, individual candy amount, total candy all of user and into price pool. An event period August 6 2025 to August 17 2025. And if you will join this event and join this button, and you have to join this event, so guys click this option. And another number 1 option, fast future trade price pool rules, and user who make their first ever future trade on Gate and future trading volume of any tokens and 5000 USDT will receive a fixed 200 probe reward and total prize pool 1 lakh probe and distribute after the event. And guys, if you have any question this project related, let me know. And thank you so much everyone watching my live stream. And max 9 candies per user with a cap of 80 probe. The rewards rules are as follow: probe trading volume 3000 USDT and 1 candies, and probe trading volume 5000 USDT and 3 candies. And probe trading volume 80,000 USDT and 5 candies. And look at this project introduction. Succeed is a bullying and decentralized proof network so that anyone can build a blockchain and application and infrastructure secured and by cryptographic truth, no trust. Succeed and unifies the proof supply chain and providing highly and available proof generation infrastructure with best in class and friction for roll-off and corporexor and other applications using zero knowledge proofs. And look at this token symbol proof and official website, this link and X Twitter link option. Look at this. If you have joined this and visit this X phase and proof access, if you have visit this option. And note, look at this note right now. Group note number 1, participant must click the join button on the event phase. Look at this, the join button, this button, and after successfully joining in the event, they must complete the event task and identity verification to receive rewards. And number 2, reward will be distributed to user accounts with 14 working days after the end of the event. And number 3, it is a strictly prohibited to register multiple small accounts and engage in malicious was trending and self-buying and self-selling or any other cheating behavior. Multiple accounts of the same verified user will be considered the same account. Sub accounts are not allowed to participate in activities. And market makers, enterprise and institution are not allowed to participate in event. Agent account cannot participate in friends in even invitation type activities, while other activities are unrestricted. And look at this, Gate has the final interpretation highly for this event. And in case of any difference between the translated version and the English version, the English version shall prevail. And user restricted area cannot access all or part of this service. And for more information about restricted area, please area user agreement. If you have this area list, click this now. And risk warning, guys, user must pay attention to the fact that virtual currency trending is affected by various factors such as the market and policies. And the market is highly volatile and price fluctuation are difficult to predict. Please be sure to pay attention to market risks and trade cautiously. And guys, look, let's go to another information. This token related. Let's go to this token. Another information. Look at this proof token. Proof token right now market price 1.422. This token right now market price 1.422. And this token today most high phase 1.5380308, and this token today most low price 1.3335. and proof token 24-hour volume 23.55 million. I repeat again, this token right now market price 1.33 million. And guys, look at this token, another information. 24-hour volume 33.73 million to the FUB token, and FUB token another information. And this token market cap 276, I repeat again, 276.59. And circulating supply is 195 million FUB. And let's go to fully diluted market cap. FUB token 1.43 billion and total supply is 1 billion FUB. Market cap fully diluted market 90.5%. Number of holding addresses 8.94k. স্যার কার্ডের উপরে যেটা ছিল এটা and let's go to guys this token core algorithm ERC20 listed CX30 and market sentiment natural. Let's go to another information. Right now FUB token, let's go FUB token website and succinct FUB the world software. And succinct in the decentralized FUB network that makes zero knowledge easy for everyone. And look at the start boldly and earn reward option, and 35 plus partner and 4 billion plus TBL secured. The best team trusts Succinct to power their critical infrastructure into including Polygon and Celestia, Abel and more. And look at the infrastructure for the probing economy option. Another option, look at this, the infrastructure for the probing economy. And another option, SP1 the world fastest RISCB ZKB, and FUB network, a decentralized network to provide compute and earn rewards. And succinct makes zero knowledge easy and secure, and right trust FUB verify and make zero knowledge easy. Use ZKFi with easy to write maintainable code for fast development, and FUBs at night speed and generated FUB locally or use our FUB network with SP1 peak performance. And building with privacy and verifiability anywhere, and verify a space FUB on any blockchain, and like Ethereum and layer 2 Solana mobile in the web layout. And look at this build with succeed and ZKEBMS and rule of option core processor co-processor and identity and machine learning interoperability, and explore the success world and partner with us and stacking proof as a proof earn your share of proof revenue and additional incentives, and use SP1 start build with the fastest most feature complete ZKBM for developers, explorer, and observe real world uses of succeed and proof network, and backed by the biggest, brightest. We work with world class investor at the cutting edge of blockchain and crypto. Let's go to another option. This token looks at developers making zero knowledge proof foundation technology. Look at this, and solution, and SP1 the world fastest production ready ZKBM for developers. So guys, let's go to another information right now. Office succeed and solution, and in enjoy 1 hour finality stage 1 compliance and cost effective volatility for your off stack rule of an office succeed slide, and experience 1 day finality or stage 1 compliance faster, simple, and more capital efficient dispute solution resolution, and start building with zero knowledge proofs and documentation and installation. Look at this SP1 currently run on Linux and Mac OS. Use our institutional guide and get set up and computer and project template. Look at this quick start guide. And look at this integration vector implementation of zero knowledge proof circuits for vector able data attention bridge in SP1 and red succinct processor Helios and Blobstream. Look at this, guys. So guys, let's go to another option to the ecosystem option, proof ecosystem option. Let's go, guys. And succinct ecosystem, the best team in crypto are boiling with succinct market leading ZKBM and power networks joint terms like Polygon and Celestia, Avol, and more. And look at this Acros token and Alchemy and Alphin, Alt Layer, Automata, and Avel, Babylon, and Caldera, Celestia, Silo, and Conduit, and Cosmos. In Egen Layer, Electron, Fiamma, and Galaxy, Gelato, Herodotus, Hibachi, Hailey, and Katana, Chroma, Lido, Magic Newton, Mantle, Morph, L2, Mind, Nebra, and Nobit, Fala Network, Polygon, and Rift. Very huge token. And let's go another option. Scalarize and Soba range and Tycho, Termina, Twain, Wall, Zero Sign, And look at this, guys. Explore the succinct world. Partner with us, reach out to get in touch with our team. And case studies, you use SP1 start build with the fastest, most feature complete JKBM for developers and explorer. Observe real world uses of succinct food network. So guys, let's go to another information. Proof, and look at this block token block option. And look at this block. Reach an announcement. Jan joined the success proof network. Look at this. Jan is joining the success power network as a multiple node cluster. Proof Jan is a infrastructure provider specializing in node operation and hardware powered by and chain and often let they recently collaborate with success and on the FPGA acceleration of SP1 and improve SP1 20x over traditional CPUs and demonstrating their deep technical expertise in JK. And let's go to another option, introducing SP1CC and unleashing the full power of the EVM and Kaisik in live on the succinct power network. And probing word chain, scaling ZK to all humans, and A41 joined the succinct probe network, and Snakify joined the succinct power network. And introducing stage 2.5, the probers are coming online, and succinct and Hibachi are boiler the exchange and succinct power JK on flagship Katana network. Various news for look at these blogs, and let's go to this token home page and website and GitHub and network Twitter. Maybe use option, and let's go to guys white paper. Let's see and look at this white paper. Succinct network proof the wall software. Numaroy, Succinct, and John Givas, and cities Kulkarni and Malesh Pai, Dan Robinson. And look at this abstract. We propose the succinct network and decentralized protocol that proofs are the wall software. The network coordinates and distribute the set of proofs who generate zero knowledge proof through a novel incentives and mechanism called proof contest to create the world most efficient and robust proving cluster. User submit request in the form of RISC-V program with input and feeds that determine proving priority. And look at the introduction. Number one, decentralized systems such as a blockchain often operates based on distribute consensus and multiple parties and redistribute and multiplication and agree on the result in exchange blockchain first applied to decentralized money with Bitcoin, and then to arbitrary and trustless competition with Ethereum, and redundant competition. However, it is costly and impact impresses overhead and blockchain relatives to their centralized computer parts. Due to this reason, and blockchain remain bottlenecked. Look at this proof system have experience often and shell and performance improvements, and ZK virtual matching and convert application specific circuit to general purpose programs. And with a optionally private inputs with a proof that is such shorter than the climb itself. It itself this allow blockchain to scale their throughput by separating and transaction execution with is expensive from transaction verification with can be made cheap through check proofs. Today there are two important trades in JK technology that indicates we are that significant inflection point, and fast in the rapid increase in performance in practical and significant inflection point. Let's go to look at this another figure 2. The suction favor network create a global and distribute proving cluster with a unified experience for user powered by proof context. And let's go to another information, and ZK proving technology from application specific and circuit design and with is a encodes program logic in a arithmetic circuit, and to general purpose GK virtual machine that enable the proving of arbitrary deterministic and program and can utilize normal code and existing software. The confluence of both exponential performance improvement and general purpose ZKBM suggests and examination of the ingredients that will be required to accelerate the adoption of the cryptographic computing paradigm, and ZK proving is computationally intensive work load on the order of large-scale AI system or Bitcoin mining from production text, like proving the execution of blockchain station transaction function to can require specialized hardware such as if and may require cast ASIC in the future. And figure 3, look at this, the network by and aggregating supplies and demand creates and virtues and flywheel for the probing infrastructure and R&D. A success network, look at this another information, the success network introduce the idea of global and distribute probing cluster code signal sign with SP1 and powered by a competitive auction and mechanism called proof contest to dramatically expand the probing capacity of the world. And number one, a global distribute probing cluster to prove context. And 2.1 market structure. Look at this, guys. There are two primary participants in the network application: the demand ZK probing and proofs who proofs provide capacity and infrastructure. The cluster and proof contest mechanism jointly and induce a market structure with a virtuous flywheel by aggregating supplies and demand. And this incentives global scale and competition for developing an increasingly efficient and probing infrastructure. Tight integration with SPA1 development and the network also ensure that technological and algorithmic advance in probing can quickly occur to user. And 2.1.1, the network kickstart a virtuous and flywheel by aggregating supply and demand. Look at this, the network is a this token number one, a unified request experience mean more efficiently and transparency, frequency and accelerates infrastructure and home proofs with low cost of capital can from proving fools. And number four, permissionless participation encourages proof decentralization. Another information was 2.1.2, proof contest incentives global scale and competition with while maintaining proof decentralization. And the proof contest mechanism induce and competition on proving and intensives and decentralized proof set, ensuring that application that required high reliability and liveness are able to receive proof from minimal cost. Proof contests are all fair auctions where provers complete to receive fees from provided by proof request sent by user. The all fair feature and indicate in indices and prover decentralization. We provide more details about the mechanism in section 3. Number one, proof context enable competition between provers and price discovery allowed for reinvestment and gain from competition equal to application. And the mechanism enable proof decentralization. And look at this, permissionless participation incentives and application Bitcoin set up a minor proof of work decentralization money and Filecoin set up storage proof of replication and decentralized storage LAO and setup of proof of success network, proof of private blockchain and success setup of proof contest and decentralized proving. And table 1, comparison to network that incentives infrastructure builders. And number 2.2, related work. The success network draw is inspiration from a line of related works that used cryptoeconomics and incentives to coordinate global scale and computer infrastructure builders and such a Bitcoin and Filecoin. And today Bitcoin has harvested that accessed the capacity of any one company or nation, and this was catalyzed by the incentives set up by the proof of work protocol. We can compute, compare and contrast and the key feature of existing infrastructure builders and that used incentives with the success network. Table 1 summarize this comparison on the exist of permissionless and participation incentives and the application. Number 1 Bitcoin, look at this. Number 2 Filecoin option and allo token, look at this guys. And thank you so much everyone watching my live stream. Thank you so much joining my live stream, and if you have any question, ask me, comment this box in it is token related. And look at this proof context. Look, so we now introduce the proof context mechanism, which is a action that allocates requests to proofs in the network and allow them to earn fee by balancing the dual force of cost, effectiveness, and decentralization. At any time, user have sent a set of outstanding proof requests and a set proofs are available to prove them. Number 1 for the efficiency and user experience proof, decentralization, spam proofs, throughput. Look at this. And so guys, let's go to another option and Strum mechanism mining option. Look at this. And mining stack base reverse auction proof context and efficiency cross and mining cross and reversal auction and proof context user experience. Look at this. Proof decentralization spam proofs throughput. And table 2 evaluating proof context alongside several candidates mechanism. And look at this another option, Strawman and mechanism stack based selection, Strawman mechanism reverse auction. And look at this another option in this chart, figure 4, proof contest asks proof to despite collateral in order to bid for request. Winning provers are assigned proof and have no complete them within a specific and deadline or risks having their collateral slash. So guys, number 3.1 mechanism description. Look at the main novelty of the proof contest mechanism in that in solve for the desired and criteria and offers competitive price to user while encouraging and decentralized prover set, improving upon the mechanism introduced earlier. And another option, a censorship resistant bulletin board, and entry and central, the mechanism option. Look at these guys, and extension of recurring proofs, math guys, look at this math. And setting collateral and setting fees, and look at this proof coughing and proofs unique, proof A and proof B and proof A, proof B. Look at this guys, and figure 5, the code sign of the network with SP1 prevent proof coughing and reduce word. And setting bound on bars, and number 2 3.2 mechanism implementation, and an embedded proof address, and preventing coughing and unique knocks, and preventing residues. And look at 3.3 analysis and incentives, proof competition. Look at this proof decentralization, and civil resistance, mining and proof contest. Now request 1, request 2, proof 1, proof 2. And figure 6, proof contest, break the contamination found in the mining by assign request to a single prover and corresponding increase throughput. And throughput, another information, let's go spam proofs and proving fools. Look at this individual proof who may not have sufficiency and sophistication or collateral fatigue in fact. And thank you so much, Gate user. And cardio has been tough. Is there still a chance for rescue? Yes, brother. Thank you so much joining my live stream, everyone. And formation is proving fools and can be competitive. Look at the figure 7, proving fools can drastically expand the network capacity and enable home proofs to join without binding, and proofs and delegation, network architecture. And look at this implementation request requirement, low latency. Network architecture and censorship resistance. And number 3, liveness, censorship resistant. The implementation should be afford downstream application censorship resistance and guarantees for their request. And 4.1.1 performance, the blockchain is designed to be performance. 0.2 consensus, the blockchain is designed for progressive decentralization whereby request can be given robust censorship resistance and liveness guarantees via nodes that operate the network and come to consensus on request. Number 4.2 participation, where There are two main participants in the network. Used as submitting request option and proof binding and fulfill proofs. Proofs can permissionlessly participant is a network by simple plugging and their hard work and running node software would allow them to bid for request and binding proofs that bid for the right for complete request in a proof contest. That computer and clearing price and assign proof contest are conduct on chain. Figure 9, and the network scale decentralized application via server side proving and enabling unification and privacy via client side proving and fulfill proofs. Look at this number 5, proving the wall software. And the network has a significant implication for aggregating verifiability on the internet and rule of option. Number 2, oracles and breach option, identity and authentication and credit scoring and auditing. And chorus verifiable instantly outsource and computing conclusion. Look at this. Number 7, acknowledgement. We would like to thank Tarun Citra and Siamak Maulemi and Deb White and Max Rexnick for valuable feedback on this paper. Reference, look at this. Satoshi Nakamoto Bitcoin, Ethereum, 11 session and 11 session. Another option, look at this. Network architecture, data storage option and relayer option, manam B Fubar competition, setting fees and civil resistance. And throughput option. This token white paper, guys, very so guys, let's go to carriers proofs token on carrier option. Let's go, guys. With this brothers, this stone 1.5 already again pumping right now. And look at this office: senior cryptography engineer, senior software engineer, senior engineer system, senior ZKF engineer, staff software engineer protocol, staff marketing and general application head of finance. And let's go, guys, let's go to section another this token option. So guys, let's go to today CandyDrop's proof token, another option and another. And let's go to CandyDrop, another CandyDrop upcoming. Invite already IN token. Infinite token is a powered DFA intelligence. This tax share 2,25,000 in price IN price pool and fast feature trade pool 1 million in and total token 1 million and 500 in individual option. Look at this. And future trading share 1 million and 2 individual share limit 2,500 and invite new friend share 6,025 6,25,000 in and 200 individual share limit. typed, and if an AI forward intelligence protocol that enable anyone to discover, evaluate and execute DFA opportunities token, UXTM token, rare token, unit token, and summon 13,000 of type trade this token, and WX token, and totally are 58 USD deposit trade invite, and rare token, rare total airdrop 2 million rare, and total 47,43,000 and 47,619 is upcoming, and this token are 7 days, and look at BTC full rewards 5 lakh fear 15 days in ICA 3 lakh 4 lakh 15 days in ICA 3 lakh 4 lakh sorry if you are 198.09% total stake. Look at this to 29,970 the full rewards 9 lakh and 74,625 individual staking cap 2000 GT, and again total reward million and staking period 14 days. And looks 296.21 million 80. And guys, my net right now again problem, sorry for that. And listen, Navaris token, Navaris another $4 airdrop. Navaris right now market total airdrop 2 lakh Navaris per GT 0.0615 Navaris, participant 14,526. And look at this WXTM, another $4 airdrop, and Neuro LM token XU38 and ZKWASM. Going token, no token, upcoming no token, and indeed only 280. And with the Launchpad, let's go to guys Launchpad option. And let's go to Launchpad option, be early to the next big token project 1.0676 billion amount, and participant 74.86k, and project 3. And look at this ICA already historical project, and committed USDT 1 allocation 175, and 1 ICA shaman 0.025 USDT, and cap for subscriber 1,606 lakh, and community GT, look at this community GT, and participants 7,612, and pop1 token, and this community GT already participated, and 20,816 per cap per subscriber. Look at this 12,015,000 5 lakh, and PBA PS token. So guys, this token last option right now, this token again the most of changing. Fruits token, Fruits right now again market price down 0.38, right now market price 1.4542, and last 24 hour this market price performance, look at this, and another option. And let's go to guys, let's go to another option. Today look at this token already market fully to 90.5%, fully market 1.46 billion, makes up plus 1 billion FUB. This option already might discussed, and এর আগে আমি অলরেডি বলে দিছি. So guys, it is time to close my live stream, and thank you so much everyone joining my live stream. So thank you so much everyone joining my live stream. I hope no question for this time, this project related. So everyone take care in this. So assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.